Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. Welcome to the next lesson in the series, Introduction to Lazarus IDE. As you know, we are already working on my third book, Introduction to Lazarus IDE Part 3. Below is the subtitle, Practical Program, System, My Shop. We're not actually working on it here yet, but I'm actually working hard on it. And I hope it will be ready soon. There will be information on my website about it right away. And now we are working on my second book, on the chapters on working with databases, which are here minus in the paid part. In this part, where we've been working lately with TSQLConnector. Here we go. And now we've come to a very interesting topic in this sub-item 4, working with the 3 databases in one program. We're talking about the first 3, SQLite, Firebird 2.5 Embedded and Firebird 5 Embedded, if we may say so. Let's open the PDF file. That's it, this program is, so to speak, aerobatics. I won't go into detail now minus what efforts I put in here to make this program. Because there is almost no information anywhere. I've basically sucked this information out of my fingers from secret corners of the internet, so to speak. Because, for example, a big problem that had to be solved was minus how to fit Firebird libraries in one project. Because these are 2 libraries, which, however, are named the same way. Client.dll. And I came up with the idea to make 2 different folders here, because they cannot be in the same folder. And I struggled a lot, but thank God, I managed to find a solution how to place them in different folders. Then there were also some problems when switching between working with different databases. In addition, here I used 2 variants of the procedure, with a complete request, and the new way with striglist minus by separate lines. And I made 2 versions of the program. Here I have put a field from which the database is selected. And let me show you the project directly. Actually, here's the finished program. So from it we first select the database. By pressing the button minus we create a new database. I've already made this database for SQLite. So I won't create it now, but I'll just open it. There it is. And I'll call up the data. For Firebird, as you know, I have to choose to create a database, or to open it. But wait, just to see if I had an old one here, to see if it will open. No, it won't open because I haven't put the libraries in yet. Now, here, I have put here README files, but, because these files are very large, over 50 MB, I have not copied them into the directory. And accordingly, you know that if we want to work on 2.5, I've put a README file again, that we need to copy the files from the directory, as we did in the previous projects. We go here to the top folder. We open Firebird 2.5. We highlight, press Ctrl+A, then Ctrl+C, that is minus we copy them to the clipboard. Then we go to Chapter 7 in our project and go to 2.5. And here we press Ctrl+V and paste all the files. And now we can go and create a database, or not. Okay, then, let me open the database that I tried a while ago. So, here it is, the connection has been established and here are the data. Similarly we proceed with Firebird 5, and there's no point in showing it. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.